This two-die for cupcake recipe receives rave review for its undeniably unbelievable moistness and delicious flavor. Truly the best carrot cake you ever try. So easy to make, and it's an added bonus of crunchy pecans that makes more delicious and taste balanced cake. I know this cake will quickly become a family favorite ever. Hey there, porters, welcome back. And this is my very own version of two Thai carrot cake with cream cheese frosting. Gentlemen, ladies, this recipe is pretty easy. Just combine those vegetable oil, brown sugar, and white sugar together. Then get a 3 piece of egg, add on batch by batch, then whisk it thoroughly until it mix. And it's done. Look at that texture. It's getting lighter and creamier. It's good. A little bit more whisk and add on your vanilla extract. To get a perfect consistency of cake that's soft and to avoid all lumps of flour, this is my favorite part of baking. Through sifting all dry ingredients like flour, baking powder, your baking sodas, um, salt, cinnamon powder, and your nutmeg powder. Sift all together before you mix it with wet ingredients. When it's done, mix and whisk together your dry ingredients to wet ingredients before you add on your freshly grated carrots. This nuts part is kind of optional, but I too really love pecans, so I don't mind mixing it, and it really helps the taste. I tell you guys, it's really delicious. It's really matched with the vegetable carrot cakey taste and nuts with your cream cheese frosting afterwards. Oh, it's just perfect. I love it. I have brushed with melted butter and dusted it with flour, the baking pan, so it's more easier for me to take off later the cake. This is the great tips for baking, guys, to know your oven perfectly. Okay, so he's gonna be your partner when you're doing your cakes, your cookies, your desserts, and everything. So first things first, get the capacity and the carriage of your oven, and then you will understand the rest. I have baked my super moist carrot cake on 180 degrees preheated oven for over 30 to 35 minutes. I always have a bamboo pick on my side just to check the cake and insert it on the center. If there's no batter attached on that bamboo, then it's done, it's cooked. Adding some flavor, some extra individuality. This is what we're gonna do next by doing this lovely cream cheese frosting. It's pretty easy. Just combine those Tatura cream cheese. Well, it depends what brand of cheese you're using. So your cream cheese, your confectioner's sugar, and the butter. Whisk it all together. Add on some vanilla extract or some squeeze of lemon, and then it's done. Keep it in the fridge for at least 20 to 30 minutes. When your cake is ready to set, go and start the coating. This is what mixture what we're looking for. Look at that. It's just perfect. Let's do the funniest part of baking. I do really love it most, the frosting type. So I've cut my carrot cake in the middle, so I have a filling inside and perfectly coated outside. Well, it's just perfect now. Baking and cooking at home is a really great advantage because you know exactly what you want for yourself. You know what's inside, you know what's in the recipe, you can customize it. At the same time, you know it is clean and it's safe to eat. This two Thai for carrot cake recipe is just perfect. Super easy to do and pretty delicious. It's just perfect for gatherings, gift giving, birthdays, parties. It's pretty easy to do. I tell you guys, you will definitely love it. A generous slice of this two Thai for carrot cake is more than enough to complete your day. Thank you very much everyone. Hope you enjoy our recipe video for today. This is Bold Cook TV signing off for now. Hope to see you again soon and saying bye bye.